Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick guide on how to activate your TSB debit card in 2025. If you're a new TSB customer or just received a replacement card, activating it is a simple process that ensures your card is secure and ready for use. Let's dive right in so you can start using your card hassle-free. First, make sure you have your debit card and any accompanying materials, like an activation code or instructions. This is crucial because you'll need these details to proceed. Head over to the TSB website or download the TSB mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app makes everything easier and more convenient. Once you're in the app or on the website, log in to your TSB account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it using your personal information and card details. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a minute. Next, navigate to the Activate Card section. This is usually found under your account dashboard or in the card's menu. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any errors. After that, you'll need to set up or confirm your PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Think a mix of numbers and avoid obvious choices like your birth date. The system might also send a one-time verification code to your registered phone number or email, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've completed these steps and verified everything, your card should be activated. To be safe, test it with a small purchase or ATM withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, TSB's customer support is available via phone or chat. Activating your TSB debit card is all about security and convenience, so you're all set for 2025 banking. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more helpful tips.